caring is not easy, and you sort of slip into it without realising it, and before you know it, your life is gone, you're getting old, and you feel sometimes there's got to be more to life than what I'm doing now. It's been ongoing since I was probably 22. My mother started off with colitis, and then it went on to cancer of the uterus, followed by various other things. She depends on me emotionally and physically for certain things, and for her a social life really, because I take her to the theatre, we enjoy each other's company. I go on holidays with her, I visit her every day. It's very rare I miss a day, but there are days when I really don't feel like it. I go to feel extremely tired, and it's not so much physical, I think it's emotional. But we are there for each other because my mum was there for me when my husband was ill. And so I suppose my role has always been to step in to the breach when I'm needed, or be there should mum need to phone me up in the middle of the night even. But she is my tower of strength. But I'm also there for her on an emotional scale really. And then I help her with her shower. But I am finding it a little bit harder now as I'm getting older from an emotional point of view. And I think Newkiss has been sort of a stepping stone to seeing other people doing different things, going to different places, and the opportunities are there if you need them. The lady that's been coming here, Angela, has been coming here and filling in forms. I've been able to get a grant from the council to help me with tidying up the outside, and that makes you feel a bit better that the outside is looking better. And I think it's important to go out and meet other people, and you also realise you're not the only person that is in that situation, and some people are in a worse situation than you are. And yes, you can feel sorry for yourself, and I think you're allowed to, but you do feel a lot better when you've been in someone's company where you can just laugh. That's worth a lot. And Newkiss has provided different things, like self-defence. I've got a list of things that I've actually been to, and there's a lot more to go to. The self-defence, I've been for a meal out, a hotel break with my mum, which was lovely. And so, communication, I think, is a lot better with Newkiss. I can't fault them. And the life coach, I went on some sort of life coach thing with Newkiss. And this lady, I think, did hypnotherapy, but she did sort of a hands-on thing when we were there to relax. And I think it's learning how to relax, learning how to live in the moment is something that's important, because when you're so absorbed with what's going on in your life, sometimes you don't stop to think about the moment. Because when you're a carer, you forget who you are. You do forget, where is Wendy, where's the girl I used to be. So Newkiss has been brilliant, to be honest. Yeah, so I can't fault them.
Brilliant.
I'll stop.